Here, our goal is to factorize this expression completely. Notice that we have 2a squared plus ab minus bc minus 2ac. First, we're going to factorize this expression right here that is in blue. We're going to factorize this. And so we say, okay, notice that we have a is here. So a is in this term, and a is in this term as well. So we're going to factorize the a out. We're going to pull the a out. And so because a is a common factor in both of them, all right? And in fact, a is the highest common factor of both of these terms. And so we factor the a out. And when we factor or pull the a out, what do we have left? Well, we have what's in the bracket left. And we know that's the case because if we say a times a, we get a squared. And so we have a times 2a, which gives us 2a squared. And we say, okay, what times a gives me ab? Well, a times b gives us ab. And so when we factorize or when we pull out this a, what's left is going to be 2a plus b. Okay, next we have c here and we have c here. So c is the highest common factor of these two terms. So we're going to factorize the c out. We're going to pull the c out. And when we pull the c out, what we have left? Well, we have b plus 2a. And we know that because, in fact, what we're going to factorize out really is we're really going to factorize out the negative c, not just c, but negative c. And that's important because negative c times b gives us negative bc, all right? And negative c times positive 2a gives us negative 2ac, all right? That's why we factor out a negative c, all right? Again, negative c times b gives us negative bc, and negative c times positive 2a gives us negative 2ac, because negative times a positive is a negative, all right? Now, notice that this is notice that this is b plus 2a, but we want to write it as how this expression is written. So we write it as 2a plus b, okay? Instead of writing it as b plus 2a, we write it as 2a plus b. And if we notice, we have this term, right? 2a plus b. So this term and this term, these are the same thing, right? And so that means that 2ab and 2ab, we could factor it out, all right? So we could factor it out because it is a common factor, right? It's a common factor of this term and this term. So we're gonna pull out, or we're gonna factor out this term 2ab. And when we factor it out, when we factor out the term 2ab, what do we have left? Well, what we have left is we have a minus c. That's what we have left right there. So we have a minus c. And so what we have here is 2ab, right? Right? That's what we factored out. And what we have left is a and negative c. And so what we have here is 2a plus b, 2a plus b multiplied by a minus c. And this is our answer. This is the factorized form of the expression that we have above.